You have heard of peanut butter, you have heard of sesame butter, but have you ever tasted them together in a creamy, homemade Ayurvedic blend? This isn't just a recipe, it's a reinvention. No sugar rush, no preservative, just clean, earthy ingredients stirred with memory and purpose. Welcome, let's make something nourishing. You only need 3 ingredients: raw peanuts 3 cups, raw sesame seeds 2 cups, and 2 pinches of salt. Start with 3 cups of raw peanuts. Spread them evenly on the baking tray. Take 2 cups of raw sesame seeds. We roast peanuts and sesame seeds separately because they take their own sweet time. Set the oven temperature to 350 degrees, and on the top shelf of the oven first goes the peanuts. Put the sesame seed tray inside and let it roast. 350 Fahrenheit. It takes about 7 minutes for peanuts and 12 minutes for sesame seeds, or roast them in a heavy bottom pan on the stove at medium heat. Either way, don't walk away, they burn really fast. Once peanuts turn golden brown, get the tray out and let it cool. Once sesame seeds also turn a little golden brown, get it out and let it cool. Let everything cool completely, not lukewarm. We need cool. Warm nuts in the food processor turn into sadness, not butter. Now the fun part. Grab a big cotton cloth, throw in the roasted peanuts, bundle them up, and rub with your palms like you are giving them a good talking to. The skin will come off like drama after a long phone call with your mom. Dust off the skins, ideally not near a fan unless you want them in your tea. Alternatively, toss the rubbed peanuts lightly in a plate, just like the farmers shake grain in a winnowing tray, जैसे सूप में फटकते हैं, to let the skin drift away. Peanuts and sesame seeds have cooled down and are ready to go in the food processor. Take your humble food processor with the chopping blade, add peanuts, next add sesame seeds. Start grinding in pulses. Every once in a while mix the mixture with silicone spatula or a spoon for even grinding. After a few minutes of interval grinding, the mixture will transform from crumbly texture to smooth, pasty and shiny texture. There's no need of adding oil or any kind of emulsifier unlike store-bought peanut butter because sesame seeds contain natural lecithin which helps emulsify the peanut butter, unlike store-bought butter which often separates or needs palm oil. This version stays smooth naturally. Add 2 pinches of Himalayan salt or whatever salt your kitchen swears by. Sesame is warming, ushna, great for vat and cough balance in winter. Peanuts are grounding, good for stamina and strength. This combo isn't just tasty, it's seasonal and intentional nourishment. Many people say that you need a very powerful blender or a mixer to make nut butter like peanut butter, but as you can see, even a simple food processor does its job. You just need a little more patience. See, as you can see, the texture has completely changed from the beginning to now. Keep grinding at intervals, bringing together with the spatula, mixing it up and down. The texture has now changed from crumbly to a thick paste, and you keep churning it until you see a creamy texture. Once you see the dripping consistency, it's done. This is the exact consistency you need, where it looks shiny, glossy, and dripping butter-like consistency, which is easily spreadable. Transfer the golden goodness into a clean jar, seal it, no fridge required. Sesame's natural lecithin keeps it together better than most people under pressure. Store it at a room temperature and give it a stir now and then, like checking on your plants, but tastier. This isn't just a spread, it's a calcium-rich, protein-packed, Ayurveda-approved butter for your toast, smoothie or soul. Sesame supports lung health. Peanut builds stamina. Together, they are a dream team for winter wellness. Drizzle a little bit of honey on top of your peanut sesame butter toast, and it tastes heavenly for breakfast. Did you know just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds give you almost as much calcium as a glass of milk, making it a great source of anyone avoiding dairy? And in traditional healing, sesame is known to cleanse and nourish the lungs, perfect for dry weather or tired breaths. Try it as a spread or on your yogurt, chia pudding, energy bite, binder, or frosting for your cake. It's simple, nourishing, and 100% rooted in tradition with a twist. That's it. Until next time, stir with soul.